a bibliographic content is generated using Latex. See, this is the output. Look at this output that is generated by the Latex by a Latex source code, in which you can see the title bibliography, which contains 3 items. Let's analyze this item one by one. The first item contains a number 1. Its number, its label 1, and the author name and the year of publication, and then the title of the publication, which is followed by title of the publication, which is followed by publisher name or something related to that, publisher name or some other information related to that publication. Then coming to the second item, the item number 2 is generated. You know, in LaTeX these numbers are item serial numbers are automatically generated by the LaTeX system. The second item has author name, Donald, and year of publication, title of the publication, title of that item, and related information. The third item also contains a similar kind of information. And you know, just above the bibliographic content, you can see a matter, an ordinary matter that reads as it is hard to write, etc., etc. And you can see after LaTeX, you can see in square bracket 1 is included, 1 is there, 1 is appearing there. That means here at this point you have to refer the item number 1. Yeah, then it continues like yeah, it is interesting, etc. Then comes another citation. In the that citation is included in square bracket again, number one. That means here the item referred item is the first item. First item is mentioned here. Along with some section in that item, you have to refer section 3.3. So this is the additional content included there inside that reference point. Then coming to you can read it, and after that you come to you come to another reference. Here in bracket 2 items are mentioned. First item is the first item mentioned in that at that point is 2, and the second item mentioned is 3, and these are the items 2 and 3 respectively in the body of the bibliography. Okay, let's see how yeah, now we are going to discuss the source code, the part of the source code that can generate this kind of output. See, this is the source code part. The source code part it begins with the matter that can generate the document part, the main document part. This is the document part contains 2 lines. It contains 3 sentences. There are 2 sentences, and these 2 sentences are generated by this portion, this much portion of the source code. You can see, you can read word by word. You can read it and you can analyze it. You can see that after using and after this portion /latex and then slash latex, and after typing this, you can see slash site is used. The command slash site along with the in square bracket label. Label is LES 85. This is a label used to label the item, the first item. Label the first item in the bibliographic content. You can see that label, and the label used here is used to label the first item. This is the bibliographic content portion, content part, and the first item is begins with slash bib item in the bibliography slash bib item, and then comes the label, and that label is used there in the body of the program, in the main part of the program. And then the details of the items, author name, year of publication, and other related details are then entered. Then again coming back again coming back to the main part, it is then interesting to typeset one equation. After that, you can see once again slash site command. That command is followed by square bracket. In the square bracket is CC 3.3 is it's an optional argument. It is included, and that then is followed by LES, another the label LES 85 in curly bracket. But it's an unavoidable argument. It must be there. This label must be there together with all site commands. But it's an optional portion. It's an optional portion, but it is a mandatory portion. Then rather than after that the matter continues, and then you can see cite command again. Once again it is used, cite command slash site, in which two labels are used. First label is DON 89, and the other label is random RON DON 89. See, those two labels are used to label the item 2 and item 3, in the bibliographic environment. Okay, these are all about the ways to generate this output. The output when you run this the source code which contains this portion of the commands and matter and command, then you will get an output like this. Thank you.